Alright, let's look at the homework 5.5, problem number 1. Alright, so let's use substitution to evaluate the following indefinite integral. Alright, so substitution is already given, so it's kind of nice there. So we're going to say we take the derivative of the substitution u with respect to x. Alright, so derivative of x cubed is 3x squared. And the derivative of 23 is 0, so I'm not going to write that. Then go through the usual drills. So we're going to take the reciprocal of both sides. So you have dx over du, which is equal to 1 over 3x squared. Alright, then we can just simply multiply through by du, so that we can isolate dx. Right, so dx is the same thing as du over 3x squared. Alright, so I'm going to go down here so that I have more room. So it's going to be integral. Right, so I'm going to leave x squared as it is, since I will be able to cancel that later. Then there's a square root. Right. Then remember that we decided to call this expression inside the square root u. So we can just say square root of u. Right? And then we found equivalent expression for dx. So we can stick this guy where dx is. Right? So I'm going to write du over 3x squared. Alright, then we can clean up a little bit. So you have x squared is sitting here, so you can cancel that, and x squared on the bottom. Alright, then we have 1/3. So I'm going to put this number in front of the integral. So we have 1/3 outside. Then we have an integral. Alright, square root, I'm going to rewrite it as a 1/2 power. So you have a u to the 1/2 power. Right? Then you have du. Right? So square root of u takes care of this guy right here. This guy right here. And we wrote down du. So we took care of everything. Alright, then we just find the antiderivative using the power rule. So 1/3 is still there. Alright, then here we add 1 to the power. So it's going to be 1/2 plus 1 is 3/2. Divide by 3/2 is equivalent to multiply by 2/3. Alright, so I'm going to put that. Then plus some constant c. Alright. Then we can just clean up a bit. So you have a 2 on top. 3 times 3 is 9. And a u is originally x cubed plus 23rd. Right? Raise it to the 3/2 power and plus some constant c. Alright, so let's type it in. Alright, so what we got was, let's see, 2 over 9 and quantity x cubed plus 23 and raise it to the 3/2 power, and I don't really need the parentheses there, and then you have a plus some constant c. Alright, so let's check the answer. Submit for testing. Alright, it came back and looks like we got this one correctly. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.